She's my best friend. Break her heart, I'll break your face.
Out of place and I can't make you out.
Hello?
Hi, I'm here for the slumber party.
Do I know you?
My name is, Girly Teen Girl.
Uh-huh.
And I just moved here from, far awayville.
I know it's you, SpongeBob SquarePants.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You smell good!
Oh, thanks.
What is that? Oh, you know, it's just water and soap. What is that?
What is what?
You don't know what soap is? Hold up, let me... Whoa!
Are you searching your name online again?
No, I've learned my lesson. Every time I close my eyes, I can still see those weird drawings of me.
Miss Carmen, what does your son like to do?
Ooh, he loves playing with his Clyde Frog and Wellington Bear. Man, we're pretending, remember? Sex and drugs. Oh, I mean sex and drugs.
Oh. Whatever, I'll do what I want.
Hey dude, wanna meet my dad?
Yeah, who put these here?
You know what? We'll come back.
What the
Look at this adorable little bunny.
Oh my, he's very cute.
You see that? A heartless person wouldn't care at all about this bunny. They'd just as soon break its neck. Oh, but look at this bunny. There, you see that? You have too big a heart to kill two baby bunnies.
Today is your birthday, don't cry, have fun, happy birthday. And if you have no cake, hot dog.
1, 2, 3, slap my knee. My husband to be, his name is Cody. 4, 5, 6, kick up sticks. My heart won't tick without my Cody fix. 7, 8, 9, straighten your spine. Spin to see Cody looking so fine. 10, 11, 12, nothing runs to 12. Chicks want Cody, but his butt's mine.
Thank you for shopping at Walmart. Your total will be, $5,090.56. Do you want a receipt?
No, but can I kiss the employee?
No!
What the hell is going on over here, Joker Persona 5 Tactica?
Oh, sorry, boss. I just sneezed. Ha ha. I'm still waiting. Shut the fuck up, you zest fest!
You're fired.
I know.
I got deported by 6. I got sued by 6. I got burned by 6.
That at the same time is risky. Having dreamed that they're coming to get me. Walking that bitch get critical. Dance moves hitting so hard, shit crucial. Walking that bitch get critical. Dance moves hitting so hard, shit crucial.
Nobody loves me.
He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity.
Easy come, easy go. Will you let me go?
Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Bismillah,
Never let you go.
Hey, wait, that's me. girl won't dance. And I pitch me a tent about to wet my pants. She got body for days, but the girl won't flaunt it.
You better bark like you want it. Bark like you want it. Bark like you want it, baby.
It doesn't matter if you're Christian or Jewish or atheist or Hindu. Christmas still is about one very important thing.
Yeah, ham. No, not ham, you fat fuck! Fuck you!
You already know. Miss Crazy what's that? I cut that bitch head off and walk away giggling. It do not make sense to me. How you so gangster but only pop.
Yo, we should totally get ice cream after this. Oh, sorry. I thought my friend was behind me. Sorry. Where did he go? Yeah, I'm down. Oh no, I thought my friend was behind me. I love ice cream. I'm gonna get sprinkles. No, I didn't mean to ask you. Hey, I lost you there for a second. Oh, there you are. We're gonna go get ice cream if you want to come. No, you're not. Who are you? I thought he was you, and I accidentally asked if he wanted to get ice cream. I'm already getting sprinkles, but you could get caramel sauce if you want. What? We could get the same toppings. You don't get to call dibs on a topping. I call dibs on hot fudge. Dude, don't listen to him. We don't even know him. I call dibs on waffle cone. Oh, I wanted to get a waffle cone. No, stop. I don't even know who you are.
But the girl won't dance. And I pitch me a tent about to wet my pants. She got body for days, but the girl won't flaunt it.
You better bark like you want it. Bark like you want it. Bark like you want it, baby. Bark like you want it. Bark like you want it, baby.
Pitch it isn't big old cake, this little giggle, a flicker giggle, victory, and go tail, go bigger, get bread, make a cake and roll and go, my
Have you been talking to my boyfriend? No, I haven't been talking to your boyfriend. Your boyfriend's been talking to me! Excuse me? Why would he be talking to you? You look like a mess. And you look like you're balding with that missing hairline. The only thing missing is your dad, and that's why you're such a homewrecker.
Hot to hot. Hang on a second. My mom said to make sure I look good this time in the school pictures.
Hot to hot.
Okay, smart. Okay, next. School photos aren't for joking around, so you aren't getting your photos back, Butters.
Me? I'm grounded for looking stupid in my school picture.
If you don't want to stop making that stupid face, you can just stay in your room for another week.
Another week? See my stupid face.
Did you use your mother's makeup? She's gonna be furious.
I'm not wearing makeup, Dad.
Put that bag back on.
Yes, sir.
Feels just like a dream.
girl I've ever seen.
What the? The Eiffel Tower? Whoa, I must be in Germany.
Here, kitty, 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 meow, meow. Here, kitty, 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 meow, meow.
Here, kitty, 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 meow, meow.
I call them Chef's Salted Chocolate Balls.
Are they good?
Try them.
Hey, these are good. Yeah, I love your salted chocolate bar, Chef.
2 tablespoons of cinnamon and 2 or 3 egg whites. A half a stick of butter melted. Stick it all in a bowl, baby. Stir it with a wooden spoon. Mix in a cup of flour. You'll be in heaven soon. Say, everybody haven't seen my balls. They're big and salty and brown. If you ever need a quick pick-me-up, just stick my balls in your mouth. Ooh, suck on my chocolate salted balls. Stick them in your mouth and suck them. Suck on my chocolate salted balls. They're packed full of vitamins and good for you. So suck on my balls.
Go up to them, say, I want a cup. Just say that. But, dude, but what if I mess up? Bro, I'm tired of waiting. If you don't do something in the next 5 seconds, I'm gonna beat your ass. Say, okay, fine, I'll go up there. Hello, welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you? No!
Oh my god, it's worse than we thought. They made her emo! Her name is Lola. She was a showgirl, but that was 30 years ago when they used to have a show. Now it's a disco, but not for Lola. Still in the dress she used to wear, faded feathers in her hair. She sits there so refined and drinks herself half blind. She lost her youth and she lost her Tony. Now she's lost her mind.
How did you die?
Choked?
Oh my god, he likes being choked.
Did you like it? Goodbye. Goodbye.
Day and night. What? I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain. What need for keeps the silly game we play. Now look at this. Madness the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night.
Cause I'm just tired, everywhere else I've been tired. Cause I'm not destined to live and die a life of love and charity. I'm just tired, but I see love ceasing to play. What will it take for her to say the love you have a time inside for me?
Dámela pa' aquí, dame pa' llevar. A mí me gusta como tú lo meneas. Muévete ese pam pam y grita.
¡Bienvenidos a la
We like all the colors, but pink just looks so good on us. Hey, pretty, I, intelligent, in, never sad. K, death.
Oh my god! Frosty killed Kitty! Dude, I told you not to put that fucking hat on Frosty's fucking head, now didn't I? Well, I'm sorry, Mr. Rocket fucking Scientist. What are we supposed to do now? I don't know.
The monster's gone, he's on the run, and your daddy's here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy. Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy.
Thank you, Kenny. Yeah, thanks for going back to hell for us. You're a real pal. Goodbye, you guys.
I can't say goodbye. But the years went by and my rough just died. Susie Riley left her supposed to foreign guy. Fill him with the venom and eliminate him. All the words are minimum. I don't want to hurt him, but I did him in a fit of rage and murder. But I get a body with a pin. Police shit on my tree. I know you like to think you shit don't stay, but lean a little bit closer. See, roses really smell like poo. Because I'm bad, I'm not. Dad, what the fuck do you think you're doing? A siren sound like the goddess who promises endless apology. Remember the swab? Remember my song in a swab when I was like, tick a wham, wham, tick a wham. I'm still standing after all this time. My guy pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stores to tell. I'm feeling tremendous. Now people clap when I finish up a sentence. Now they build a statue to honor my existence. Now I got the president filling in my mention. Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by. But what does, baby? You're so totally deluded.
Peaches, 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 oh, yeah.
The toxic gossip train, chatting down the track, so listen for me. Bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand,
Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes?
Cause you make my nerves break. You make my nerves break. Riding around, you got me shaking me. You have the time to listen to me whine. You're caught up in everything. I feel so funny these days. I'd rather sleep than stay awake.
See, I remember you when you were the young you face. Make you like to slumber, don't you? Now you grew up too, hun. I'ma ruin you, hun.
I'm just kidding. Anywhere else I'd be changed.
I'm on a sugar crash. I'm on a fucking gas. Maybe I should take a bath. I'm a fucking friend.
It starts with one. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try.
Go shorty, it's sugar, babe. We go tardy, let it's sugar, babe. Baby, set it down in a dinner.
Oh no, I take you to the door. Hey, I just take you, and this is crazy. Well, here's my number, so call me baby.
Here comes a car that might alarm you.
I'm that cat, can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally.
I'm driving loud, because this is
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. I don't pick a song, fuck you.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I can fly.
Finally, someone let me out of my cage. Now, talk of me is nothing cause I'm counting no A's.
There's a starman waiting in the sky. Stibbity gob gob gob, yes, yes. Stibbity bubble, burning through the sky. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. Guys, wait, can I just talk for a second? Why do we keep doing this? Like, nobody has won yet? Like, who is judging this? I don't understand how, like, this isn't even organized.